Hello students, welcome to the class. My name is Gayatri and today we are going to learn about healthy food, aquatic animals, insects, vehicle, nature, clothes and more. So let's start our topic. We will learn about birds. A bird is a special kind of animal. It is warm-blooded and has feathers covering its body, wings for flying, and two legs. Birds also have a beak and lay eggs. Now let's learn through pictures. First one is nightingale, ostrich, owl, woodpecker, crane, peacock, parrot, emu, hummingbird, duck, penguin. Very good. Now let's do activity. Put this in order by numbering 1 to 4. Here, laying of eggs is given. You have to put this picture in order. Here, you have to number the sequence of hen. Starting by eggs. Second is breaking of the eggs. Third is chick. And fourth is hen. Very good. Think and tell. Children, let's answer the following questions. Which bird says tweak, tweak? Answer this question. Which bird is green and can talk? It's parrot. Which bird is the fastest to run but cannot fly? Ostrich. Which bird is known for its beautiful feathers? Peacock. Very good. Facts for tiny dots. There are 10,000 species of bird. Birds don't have teeth. Birds are great communicators. Very good. So children, I hope you got the topic. Keep revising and practicing.